Computer System Servicing, exploratory course for grade 7 and 8.
Good day class, I am your TLE teacher, Sir Lance. Welcome to a new learning competency in TLE Computer System Servicing.
Learning competency. Plan and prepare for tasks to be undertaken. Prepare hand tools. Use appropriate hand tools and test equipment. Categories of hardware tools and its uses. Basically, there are 4 categories of hardware tools. 1. Electro Static Discharge Tools. 2. Hand tools. 3. Cleaning tools. And 4. Diagnostic tools. Electrostatic Discharge Tools. The function of ESD tool is to prevent the buildup of static electricity, safely discharge any static electricity that gets generated, and protect people and products from the effects of accidental discharge. Example of ESD tool. 1. Anti-static wrist-strap protects computer equipment when grounded to a computer chassis. 2. Anti-static mat used to stand on or place hardware on to prevent static electricity from building up. The second category is hand tools. Tools that are used mainly by our 2 hands to operate. Number 1. Torx screwdriver. Used to loosen or tighten screws that have a star-like depression on the top, a feature that is mainly found on laptop. 2. Needle nose plier. It is commonly used to cut and bend small wires and electrical wiring. 3. Wire cutter. Commonly used to cut copper, brass, iron, aluminum, and steel wire. 4. Phillips head screwdriver. Used to loosen or tighten X-slotted screws. 5. Tweezers. Usually used to hold and manipulate small parts. 6. Flathead screwdriver. Usually used to tighten or loosen screws that have a straight linear notch in their heads. 7. Hex driver. Commonly used to loosen and tighten bolts that have a hexagonal 6-sided head. 8. Crimping tool. It is a device used to conjoin 2 pieces of metal by deforming one or both to hold each other. 9. Soldering iron. It is used to join 2 or more items together by melting and putting a filer metal or solder into the joint. Soldering stand. It is used to hold soldering iron. The third category is cleaning tools. Using these tools will keep computers away from damaging or having scratches. Example of cleaning tools. 1. Lint-free cloth, used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. 2. Compressed air, used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components. 3. Parts organizer. It is used to store screw, jumpers, fasteners, and other small components and avoid the small pieces to mix. The last category is diagnostic tools, used to scan your computer's hard drive, check your RAM for errors, check microprocessor temperature, and give you information about any other devices connected to your computer. Example of diagnostic tools. 1. Digital multimeter. It is a handy tool that you use to measure AC and DC voltage, electric current, and other cable and electrical characteristics. 2. Loopback adapter. It is used as a testing tool for a virtual network environment where network access is not available. 3. LAN tester. It is used to check most network cable wiring. Thank you for watching and listening. This is your TLE teacher, Sir Lance. Goodbye!